my channel, welcome. I'm Mad Chen and I'm a digital illustrator. I create Procreate tutorials for beginners. Today I'm going to show you how to master the freehand selection tool in Procreate using one of my projects for today's example. So we need to come up to the selections tool and we're going to be presented with a menu at the bottom of our canvas here, and we have freehand selected at the bottom. I'm going to use this fish as my example for today. So let's say I wanted to select this fish, so I'll start drawing around it to select it. There are two ways we can use this tool. The first is by making a polygonal selection, by placing dot points around the image, creating short lines between them. The second is by drawing a continuous line around our selection. If you want to, you can also combine the two. If you make any mistakes, you can use the two-finger tap to undo it. You'll see there's a white dot at the point where I started my selection. We just need to click on it if we're ready to close the loop. Now let's look at the menu down the bottom here. We can see Add and Remove, which gives us the option to simply add or remove additional parts to our selection. Since I already have Add selected down here, I'm just going to quickly include the bubbles to our selected image. Once you've made your selection, you can just click on the white dot to close the selection. Then you can just go on to use any of the above tools to continue working on your project.